So I had an orthodontist contact me recently because their models, when using CS model, were coming out skewed on top of the base when CS model generates the base. This wasn't the actual case, but you can see here how everything's kind of skewed on the actual base. Um, Typically, that would happen if the arch or the teeth are not symmetrical on one side or the other. Then the software is just guessing to where that midline is, and it could be off. Again, this was not the case, but I've skewed this just to kind of illustrate what she was seeing. So to correct that, all you do is go into CS Model, and you're going to run the registration wizard, and you can make some adjustments on this view, although not relating to this particular correction that we're going to make. So I'm going to hit next, and then now you can see it visualizing it top down, and I can just put my mouse over this little circle, left click and hold it, and now I can straighten out the model however I want. And you can see I'm moving the lower model, but you can see the upper model above it is also moving it exactly the same way. So it stays in occlusion. When I'm done, I just hit next. And here's my model, and then hit finish. And now you're done. Hope this helps.